Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be making chore jars. So I got these 2 jars that I had lying around somewhere, and we're going to start by spray painting them with this metallic gold Krylon spray paint. And we are just gonna spray. After we're done spraying, they're gonna look something like this. Now, to make it super cute and pretty, I am going to be adding gold rhinestones around these, and I'm just going to be using my hot glue gun for this. And shout out to all the parents who are already making their kids do chores. If you read the first portion of this video, it helps them with so many things. So shout out to those parents. And if you are having trouble getting your kids to do chores, just do something like this. And you could even attach like a reward to this, whether it is they get to go to the movie, or you get to take them to the park, or you could just simply give them, attach like money to one of the chores, 50 cents, $1, whatever it is that you can afford. This is also a great way to get them to do it, by attaching $1 or $2 depending on what the chore is. And if they do something extra, you can even add extra. So yeah, we're just adding a little bling to make these super cute. Excuse the moving around of the camera. Zone is my camera lady today. Thank you, Zone. All right, so they are cute, but they do still look like they could use something else. What else could we add here? Butterflies. There you go. All right, so we're gonna be adding butterflies on here. She had these little butterflies since she was a baby. So if y'all know me, you know I don't really throw things out that easily. And then I remember this one we got from the Dollar Tree when she was doing a project when she was in pre-K. All right, so on each of these, what we're gonna do now is I just wrote it by hand. One's gonna be to do and one is going to be labeled done. We did make some chores on fudge sticks, and the chore is just going to be whatever it is that you want the kid to be doing. They're never too young to start learning these things, because Zone makes her bed and she does it perfectly. So yeah, the homework is for when school starts back in. She has to read. It may not always be 2 hours, but she has to do some amount of reading for the day. Even though she's on break, they don't love to lotion their skin. I don't know. And like black people, we get ashy. Like, yeah. So you gotta lotion your skin and stay moisturized. So this is it. You put it in the to-do jar, and I don't have to monitor her. Do you know why that is? Because she was super excited when we got it done. She was really excited. And so look at this. It was at night. We did it at night, and she went in, she grabbed the stick, and she just started brushing. But Dad or myself will do the brushing at night, so I'll go over whatever she's doing here in a second. So this is a really cool idea, something that you can try, and let us know. If you try it, let us know if it works.
Thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.